This project just pumped 70% overnight, and you're missing out right now on a potential project that will 10,000x your gains. If you are interested, then make sure to stay tuned for this video right throughout the video, because I have a lot of energy to share with you in this project. As you can see, thank you for being here with me. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show, guys. We are coming so close to that 1,000 mark. Come, guys, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Please, let's do it together. We are pumping out content together here. You are liking and subscribing. I appreciate that very, very much so. And I'm building the content for you so that you guys can see what beautiful potential projects there are in the crypto space, guys. I love crypto. If you love crypto, let me know down below in the comments. Guys, we are going to be speaking about clintex today. I'm sure you've seen all over the news. So clintex is insane. We had a crazy pump last night. So I'm going to show you. We're only up 22% on the day on clintex. But really, guys, you guys can see how far away this coin is down the CoinGecko ranking. We are sitting at 1825 on this particular coin. Now, often people would say, oh, it's too far. It's not within the top 100. It's not a safe investment. I'm going to show you in this video exactly why it is a safe investment, or at least why I personally believe it is a safe investment. Obviously, no financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what it is that I am doing. And if you guys want to see my stack, I've put maybe close on $200 into this particular coin already, which essentially would now, yeah, I have about 12,000 coins, more or less. Okay, so it's just under $200. So I want to go and show you guys sorry, you didn't see that, but because it's covered, but yeah, so just under that amount. Okay, so currently we're sitting at 0.14 cents. Its logo is beautiful. Its name is clintex. I love it. Clinical Trials, okay, or CTI is the ticker. We're up 22% for the day. We're up 23.3% against BTC and 22.5% against ETH. We're on only 6,000 people's watch list, and that is exactly why this is a crypto gem. Okay. So, do you own any clintex? Let me know down in the comments below, guys. But if you do, and if you've been watching my channel, you knew about this project long before it made this pump. Okay, and it actually made a 70% pump, and then it dumped another 50%, which, you know, is shite, but that's what happens in trading, guys. So, currently, with a very, very, very small market cap of $1.1 million, 727, I mean, that's 70% of the market cap's value in trading volume, basically. And then fully diluted is 2.7. Total supply is 191 million. Circulating is 83.27, guys. That's amazing. So you can see here that we had this crazy, crazy pump. Let's go and see from the all-time high perspectives. We were up here, which was at 0.28 cents from 0.39 cents on the all-time high, which we are still down 96% from, and we are up from the low 13 days ago, 2,700. Now, I bought some more down at the low because I could see we were bottoming out on this coin, and I did let you guys know. So I hope you guys definitely got into some of this. With that being said, its high in terms of market cap was also back then, which was only a very, very small, let us get this right. This thing is so difficult to use sometimes. $21 million was the high. So 21x, pretty much 21x from where we are right now was the high. Okay, at 39 cents. Pretty decent, right? Would you guys say that this is starting to see why this could 10,000x, no problem? Well, let's go and see what clintex actually is. So clintex is clinical trials intelligence, new medicine, faster, safer, and smarter. Currently, efficiency issues in clinical trials are costing between $600,000 and $8 million per day, okay, and are significantly delaying the delivery of new medicine to patients in need. We want to change that. So clintex are a solution provider to the pharmaceutical industry and the team behind Cti Ai, okay. So what we can see here is that this project has already been featured on Yahoo, Hackanoon, Bitcoin.com. Bitcoin.com. Guys, we know Bitcoin.com as a reputable site, okay? BitcoinNews.com, NewsBTC, CoinCodex, Bloomberg, CoinGape, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, KuCoin, Bazinga. Now, the applications that are running in here, the CTI ecosystem, consists of 7 separate apps which each provide invaluable key insights and immense benefit to stakeholders, such as clinical trial project managers and physicians, data managers, pharmacovigilance staff, and site monitors. So CTI OEM is operational excellence, clinical data visualizations, predictive analytics, risk-based monitoring, artificial intelligence, patient recruitment and retention, site investigators, and vendor management. Now, CTI is a native token for the Clinical Trials Intelligence platform by Clintex, and CTI is used for access to the platform via a staking license model on the Clinical Trials Intelligence integrated wallet. There is no other payment gateway for access to the platform. KuCoin, CoinGecko, Gate.io, Uniswap, Clintex. So I'm going to recommend my link, my Bitflex link down below, just so that you guys can go ahead and trade other altcoins with incredibly beautiful bonuses waiting there for you. But where you can go ahead and get this coin is on Gate.io. My personal coins are on KuCoin, so I have mine on KuCoin. It is definitely a good space to be in. Now, Clintex, as you can see, is a decentralized platform to lower the cost of new medicine and speed up the delivery to market for people that need them most. And if you go ahead and look down here at some of the data that they've been sharing, Q2 development update. Roadmap now includes milestones for the progression of Cti Ai, details of data visual concept for campaign trial. Now, campaign, without a doubt, guys, is this. Okay. So Australian regulator approves MDMA for PTSD treatment. Very interesting, right? This is great news for CTI as we await the start of the LVL or campaign trial. Now, campaign is, I'm in the industry because I own a business in CBD and cannabis-based oils and cannabis-based products. It's part of my nutrition and supplemental package. And basically, campaign is cannabis pain medicine, okay, in other words. So very, very chilled, good, beautiful stuff coming out of these clinical trials. Let's go and have a look at the chart, guys. This was the crazy pump and the crazy spike in the chart. If you guys would have caught that, I actually bought down here. I think I bought at this drop here because I could see it was going down. I must have bought, yeah, last week Tuesday or something like that. I actually bought while the RSI was down here, so it was definitely here because I could see it going for a ludicrously crazy pump. Now, guess what? Look at what it pumped. It pumped 100%, okay, in one day. Did you hear me? One day. You literally 10x your money in one day. Thanks for coming, if you did. Okay, let me know if you did. Now, I'm keeping the Gaussian channel on here for a reason, because right now, essentially, this candle is looking to break out of the Gaussian channel and get onto the top side of the Gaussian channel, which would essentially start to make this coin a lot more on the bullish side. Now, if I look at the 3-day, we're really starting to pump up. You can see my resistance level that we broke out of. We still hold above it so far, which is pretty decent. And then on the weekly time frame, we are literally just getting started. Plus, on top of it, interestingly so, even though the price fell from the top of the Gaussian to the bottom of the Gaussian, broke through the medium, we are literally, since here, we have been in a very, very strong buy territory for this coin. So if you haven't got into this coin yet, that was just a small pump in comparison to the pumps that I've been through in this coin. Look at that pump. 1,000%, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy pumps going on here. So this is the weekly. We've tested the medium band there. Good volume, buy volume coming in. Are we going to start to see us holding some good, strong support here at this level? I actually want to bring this box down a little bit. I think the box is not 100%. Yeah, that's where we're talking. Look at that level. Look at that level, guys. So Gaussian channel starting to push its way back up. RSI resetting back up. Guess what, guys? Tick. Tick. Okay. Is there strong buy volume? Yes. Okay. Have we hit a bottom support line? Yes. So there's 4 things there that show us that we are 100% going to be making a very, very strong move to the upside. Now, I want to go and show you very quickly. for us to get back up to the all-time high, which was interesting because the listing price up here was at $1. So if it had to get back up to that $1 level, currently from where we are, that would be a 10, call it a 9,000% gain, okay? 9,000% gain on your money, okay? Which is a 900x, just by the way. And I personally think that this project could do a lot bigger than that, especially considering what it's actually doing. So go and read the website, go and see what it's all about, see what they're doing, investigate for yourself, and see how you guys can join this incredible community, guys. Clintex has been around for a couple of years already. The monthly is starting to look like it is going to start slowing down. We are getting a and now the month is coming to a closing, right? So we're coming to a point where you can actually see that we are creating higher lows as well on top of it. So guys, if I haven't convinced you yet already, then I don't know what or who's going to convince you about this coin, but this project is insane. So let's go to the juicy part, the part that you all wait for in this video. So you come over to cryptoscenarios.com, click in clintex or CTI, and then when you click here, you actually have to choose which currency you want it valued against. So of course, I choose USDT because that's what we're looking at. My portfolio scenario is what this is not my personal, I'm just showing you if you had to invest $10. I would say at least 80% of the world can afford $10, okay? So if you registered an account with KuCoin and you did your thing, okay, and you invested even just, here, $7.75, guys, just round it off to $10. If you invested $10 today into Clintex, okay, in the future, when this project 10,000 X's, okay, your return on interest will be nearly 1,000,000%. Now, we've heard of that before in Shiba Inu and other projects too. That would only bring us to a $9.2 billion market cap, guys. That is small. Very, very, very small. And I say that because if I go and look here, market cap of all pharmaceuticals. Let's go and have a look at this. I've shown this to you guys before. Okay. This data here, here. Let's go and open these two. This is the one. Largest companies by market cap. Okay. So you can see here now, you can see here that the total market cap is worth 5.4 trillion. And I'm saying to you, Clintex is bringing clinical trials faster, safer, and smarter. And they're already working with clinical trial companies. They're reducing the cost of learning about medicine and finding the best medicine and bringing it to you faster. Guys, do you think these companies, all of these companies here, are not going to go ahead and invest into a company like Clintex to help them progress even further? Well, if you don't believe so, then I don't know which planet you're from, because these guys need help. We know they need help because with all the C19 rubbish that was around, where they all profited off the, let me not say jabs, okay? You know for a fact that what they're trying to do with the same scenario, again, just with different names, okay, is probably not going to work. So how are they going to make their money and their profits today? Because actually their profits have been shrinking drastically over the past little while. So you guys can see here, okay? Yeah, see market cap growth over 23. You can see here, it has dropped, okay? It has dropped very interestingly. So most of them have dropped, not all of them, most of them. So more than half the 20 global biopharmaceutical companies saw a fall in market capitalization over Q1. This resulted in a 3.4% decline in total aggregate market capitalization from 3.61 in Q4 to 3.49. So that's a lot of money, right? Okay, so let's come back to our scenario. So we're saying 9.2 billion, guys. I have previously spoken about this, and I actually have to show you something else right now. So I've previously done this Clintex document for you where I said, now you guys can see, I spoke about this a little while ago. I mean, I even said to you guys, all you need to do was invest $11.57 to become a millionaire in the future if it hits a $100 billion market cap. Now, I'm talking about $100 billion, guys. $100 billion, probably not a problem. So if you are enjoying this, make sure to smash the thumbs up and remember to like and subscribe my channel because I'm bringing crypto gem projects like this to you on a constant. Now, guys, coming back, okay, you may, and I don't really care, but you may come to me and say wishful thinking. I mean, I've had very nasty comments down below previously because I actually said this coin could 52,000x, but I'm going to be a little bit more modest. I'm going to say 10,000x, okay? Because that's about where what crypto gems do, is anything between 1,000 and 10,000x. Now, guys, this is a 10,000x gain here, okay? That will take us up to a $10 billion market cap. That's what I've been talking about throughout this entire video already, which will probably give us about a $100, $110 price on this, which undoubtedly so, if you had to invest $10,000, okay, your $10,000 at that point would be worth $86 million. Did you hear me? $86 million, guys. I can't even say how important it is to note this in this video. This project is not a joke. I'll come back here. If you don't believe me, it's okay. I don't have a problem with that. But watch the market cap of the pharmaceutical companies. Okay. They are going to look out for this because they need to increase their profits, their margins, especially when they're down at the moment. So let's hypothetically say we 10x the market cap that I'm talking about in this video and we only reach a $100 billion market cap. Guys, that would be a crazy scenario. That would literally be a 100,000x gain from where we are today. This information is a little bit, I did this video for you a little while ago. That would be a 100,000x gain. Mad, guys. Mad. My personal accumulation goal on this coin would be 100,000 coins, okay? That would definitely be my personal accumulation goal. I am 20%, just under 20%. I'm 12% of the way, okay, to reach my target. So make no mistake, I've got my next batch of dry powder ready to invest in this project, and I probably will because it's pulled down very nicely in the chart now, as we saw there, over there. So decently so. Guys, I don't think you'll pick this coin up anymore at this price. So if you haven't fetched it, guys, I'll see you on the other side and I'll let you know exactly what that looks like. To invest a small $10 or $100 into this coin, and if you lose it, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. But if you had to invest $1,000 in this coin today, you would get 69,000 coins. So my personal 100,000 coin target is going to cost me about $1,446. That's pretty decent. I'm sure most of you watching this video actually have that. Here in South Africa, we do have a much weaker currency against the dollar, so very interesting to see. I'm just investing whatever liquidity it is that I can, dry powder, into a project like this, guys. Now, I'm not taking all my money and putting it into it, but I'm definitely taking good chunks, okay? And I definitely want 100,000 of these coins. If I could get 1 million of these coins, you best be damn straight. I would literally own 1/80th of this, 1/80th of this project. Okay, telling you guys, beautiful energy happening out here. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up. You know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and click my links down below. There's free crypto. I have awesome crypto merchandise there for you and so much more. Go check my links down in the description below. You guys will be very happy about those. Thank you for being here. Much love. And let me know your thoughts. If you own Clintex, let me know down in the comments below. Much love, and we'll see you on the next one, beautiful souls.